Hi, I'm Mary Ann Benetti, and I'm finishing up on my rockscaping and our front yard that we took out the sod and replaced it with different sizes of rock. Here's a couple tips for you. Number one, you can change the level, and the reason that's important is because when you remove sod and you turn it upside down and you create these berms, just putting a few of these stacking stones is going to help hold them back. Now, we always want to incorporate the different kinds of rocks so it looks more natural. So we added a little dam here amongst the gray rock. But the important thing about this display is this amazing plant here. This is called Lantana. Now, the new Lantanas are extremely drought resistant. They come in lots of different colors, and it is one of the few plants that no matter how hot it gets, they're still going to live. So if you live in a very warm climate, or if you have a landscape you want to use a lot less water, consider using a lot more rocks and more Lantana. This has been Mary Ann Benetti. Easy answers for great gardens.